Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a massive spring clean. I've actually broke this down into 3 parts just because it just takes me a little while when I'm filming to do my cleaning, so it was too much for me to do the whole house. So I broke it down into 3 parts. As you can see, I'm starting up in my bedroom. This room doesn't really get messy, but it just needed a bit of a spruce up. Dusting, hoovering, mopping, all that stuff. I've also got a few tips and tricks to show you guys just to make things easier. I don't know about you guys, but as soon as spring hits, I just have that motivation to get up and give my house a massive clean. Just makes the house feel and smell so fresh. So I hope this video gives you a little bit of motivation to get up and get those jobs done that you've been putting off for such a long time, like me. If you do like this video today, don't forget to give it a like, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Come and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into it.
I'm drowning in this crazy room. There's no one to save me, 'cause I'm on my own here, yeah. Tears are falling on my cigarette, and no one can hear me. And you let me down, so I can call you. I don't need help, babe, I won't fall into the same thing, 'cause I just live this.
So I just wanted to show you how I've been cleaning all my mirrors recently. So first off, I'm going to use this Astonish multi-purpose just to give it a bit of a clean, get all the dust off it. And then I'm going to go in with this cloth. These cloths I actually bought from B&M quite a while ago now, so I've had them quite a while. You can wash them in the machine and everything. But they've got a chamois leather on one side, and to clean your mirrors, it gets all the little smudges off and they just come up so clean. So honestly, I highly recommend these. So inexpensive as well. So my first little tip in today's video is cleaning the skirting boards. As this is a spring clean, I want to get everything really thoroughly clean in the house. So I'm going to be cleaning all the skirting boards, and I'm going to be using these tumble dry sheets. These are the Fabulosa ones. I find these more cheaper than the Lenore ones, and they do just as good. So basically I'm using a tumble dry sheet to get all the dust off. These have got like a magnetic sort of field around them, and they attract all the dust. So it's really easy to pick up the dust rather than the dust floating in the air and you having to clean elsewhere in the house. So yeah, you're just using the tumble dry sheets, and I'm just going along all the skirting boards, and as you can see how much dust it's picking up. I couldn't believe how much cat hair I had all around the floor and all the skirting boards, and this did the trick just to get rid of all of that. Then I'm just going to go over it with a cloth and some of my cleaner, and then just give them a real good wipe down. So quick, so easy. And because you're using tumble dry sheets, obviously these have a scent and it makes your house smell so fresh and so nice. So yeah, that's a little tip that I use. So hopefully that helps you guys out.
Don't you, boy, just be honest. I know you want it, put some work into it, 'cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, 'cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth the world. All that I ask is for you to please my every need.
You might have noticed that my Hoover has got a small attachment piece on it. That is because my Hoover is broke again. Honestly guys, I have had so many hoovers. I bought so many from B&M and they just break on me. I have the worst luck when it comes to hoovers. So if you can recommend a good hoover for me that is going to last a long time and pick up cat and dog hairs, then please do, because I've had so many and they just keep breaking. This one I've actually had for years. Works with the small attachments, but for some reason it won't work with the big attachment. So as you can see here, I'm on my hands and knees. If I put it on this part of the hoover, it works fine. But honestly, being on your hands and knees is no joke. It really isn't. So please recommend a good hoover for me.
Boy, you know that I'm hard to love, I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love, I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest, I know you want it, put some work into it.
So this is
Cause you know that I'm hard to love, it won't be easy, so don't be lazy, just give it to me. Cause you know that I'm hard to love, I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love, I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love, I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love, I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love, I'm hard to love.
I would recommend it.
Said you needed a break and left with no heads up. I was strong for your sake, but it made my heart drop. Cause it's always been you and I. Give me one more try, this is messing with my mind. Not gonna lie, but I'll give you the space so you can figure this out. I've been losing sleep and it won't get better. I can't get my mind off of you. Days go by and I can't help but wonder if you think about me too. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to? It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you.
So I've zoomed you right in here just to look at my bath. If you can see, I've got mould growing around my bath, and I've got a little trick to actually get that off. It take overnight to do this, however the results are amazing. I actually had mould growing all the way around here at one point and it's completely gone. So yeah, I'm going to show you how you can get that off. First thing you're going to need is just some bleach, any kind of bleach. This is literally 39p from B&M, so any kind of bleach whatsoever. So the first thing you're going to do is pour the bleach directly onto the mould. Some of it might run in the bath, but that's fine. To be careful here, I don't really want it running on the side. Next up, you're going to get some toilet tissue. I'm just going to put you guys down a minute. So next up, you're going to get the toilet tissue like this, just a long strip of it like this, and then you're going to twist all the way around just to make it a bit more stable when it lays down on the bleach. So you're going to twist it all the way around like this. So it's just twisted, and then you're going to place it down on top of the mould and into the bleach. I'm going to show you. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get the toilet tissue and you're going to push the toilet tissue where the mould is. You should really be wearing gloves with this, but I don't have any at the minute. So you're just going to push the toilet tissue where the mould is. Get as much as you possibly can. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get some more bleach and you're going to saturate the tissue with the bleach. Honestly guys, this looks crazy, but it does work. So as you can see, I've proper saturated the tissue where the mould is. If you see any bits standing up at all, all I did was get the empty bottle of bleach and just push it right in. And this is going to be left overnight, and honestly, when you see the results the next day, I was just astonished by how well it got rid of it, so well. So I'm going to keep this on overnight and then I'll show you what it looks like in the morning. Okay guys, it's the next day and I have left this on. Remember, I put bleach down and then I left it saturated overnight, and it's now the next day, and I'm going to show you how good this little trick works and how easy it is and inexpensive it is, rather than buying mould remover, stuff like that. So I'm just going to show you. I'm going to take it off. I'm going to use a bit of tissue because I don't have gloves. So I'm going to take it off. Remember the day before how bad it was, how bad this was, and it is not completely gone. There's a little tiny bit here, but if I do that again, tonight, then I know that would be gone. But honestly, that has just come off so easily and so quickly, and I know the rest of the bathroom needs doing, but I'm just about to clean it. But yeah, look how good that is. And if you remember rightly, I did it over the other side as well. So I did it over this side. This side has come out even better. So have a look at this. There was quite a lot on this side, and it's completely gone. I have a few spots on the bath. I don't know what they are. But they won't come off at all. But that mould has completely disappeared. How good is that? Completely disappeared. From the way it was yesterday to the way it is today, I mean, you can see in the tissue where it's saturated the mould itself. So yeah, I'm going to clean the rest of the bathroom, get it all nice and spicy clean. So I need to do behind here as well, which I'm going to do tomorrow. These actually is not mould, this is actually gaps where it needs sealing again. But yeah, this is the result just from one night. So I left it overnight and this is the result. So happy with that. So I just wanted to show you that little trick. It's so inexpensive, honestly. A little bottle of bleach is only 49p and these are the results you get. So yeah, really happy with that. It looks so much cleaner. So I'm going to get on with the rest of the bathroom now. So if I can recommend anything to you guys, I recommend this cleaning brush. It is amazing. I picked this up from Aldi's. I think it was like £8, $7.99, something like that, but I absolutely love it. So I started off by spraying the Viacal, which I do not recommend. It is scented, but I didn't like the smell of it and it really hurt my chest. It was really strong. But I started off by spraying that, and then I went in with this little brush that I got from Aldi's. I absolutely love it. It's really good for getting in all the little crevices around the taps, getting off the lime scale as well. It's really good and so inexpensive as well. Really highly recommend that one.
You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love.
I'm looking at you, I'm trying to get your attention. Can I come close? I don't know how to play this. Our hands touch once or twice, feeling kind of hypnotized. I'm looking at you and I feel the tension. You know, this could be like heaven. I am right here, doing my best to make you feel like I do. And just for a second, you're looking at me, making me feel like maybe you want this too. Give me your attention. I'm trying to breathe, but
So that's going to go ahead and conclude today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this gave you a bit of motivation to get on with your spring clean, and I'll see you all soon for my next video, which is going to be a downstairs clean. Thanks for watching again, guys. Don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you all soon. Love you all, guys. Bye.